Hi, this is Linda with 60 Seconds of STEM. Today we're going to talk about a few of the robotics options we have from Hamilton Buhl. First, we have Boostar Bots, a block building robot engineering kit great for those tactile learners. Then we have the Invent Kit, which has a host of more advanced sensors that you program in a free environment called Crumble. Lastly, we have a cute little robot kit made from a head of a toothbrush and a motor that vibrates. As you can see, we have a variety of options for advanced to beginning robot engineers. So thanks for watching.